Tea tree oil, one of the most versatile and useful oils, definitely would be in my top 10. More useful at home, I think, than as an aromatherapist in my clinic. It's got a lot more properties that are useful to use at home. Tea tree is antiseptic, antiviral, antimicrobial. Here we have tea tree wipes, which are really good for cleaning the feet, freshening the feet. We get tea tree products, soaps, shampoos, all sorts of different products made of tea tree. But the main tea tree we need to look for in essential oil is Melaleuca alternifolia. Tea tree was discovered in Australia, where the Aborigines were living. And they used to bathe and do all their washing in swamp areas where tea tree was growing. And when we invaded Australia, they discovered that the Aborigines had very little illnesses, very little skin issues, didn't seem to suffer from the same amount of diseases. When the water was tested, they discovered that the chemicals from the tea tree plant had infused itself into the water. And this is where they discovered the antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic properties of tea tree. Today, they've even put tea tree essential oil on a slide under a microscope with MRSA bacteria and discovered that tea tree is the only thing will kill off MRSA. So before I go into hospital and have an operation, I do tend to take a diluted spray of tea tree with me and clean everything in sight. Tea tree is an amazing oil for stimulating the immune system. It's a really good idea to use tea tree to stimulate your own immune system, but also to wash bedding in. I've put it in a hoover so that if we're going to vacuum the floor, the hoover is killing off any bugs and bacteria we're picking up off carpets from pets. I've washed pet linen with tea tree. It really is one of the best